Hi friends, now today we are going to chapter number 3. Chapter number 3, properties of natural resource. Okay. In this chapter we see the properties of air, properties of water and properties of soil. आपण या पाठामध्ये 3 गोष्टींच्या प्रॉपर्टीज बघणार आहोत. त्याच्यामध्ये एक एअर, वॉटर आणि सॉइल. ओके. फर्स्ट, which are the gases present in air? Why is air called a homogeneous mixture? Which gases are present? There are many gases are present, that is the oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and other, and these gases are mixed together, so it is a homogeneous mixture. What are the use of the various gases in air? What is the use? Each gases are separate use. So let's go towards the properties of air. Air is around us. We cannot see it yet. Feel the प्रेझेन्स ऑफ एअर. सगळीकडे आपल्या वातावरणात आसपास एअर प्रेझेंट आहे, परंतु आपल्याला त्या दिसत नाही. बट वी टेक इन थ्रू द नोज और ब्लो ऑन आवर हँड थ्रू आवर लिप्स. बट वी टेक द एअर थ्रू नोज. आपण जेव्हा नाकाने हवा घेतो तेव्हा आपल्याला समजतं की हवा आहे, किंवा आपण ते तोंडावाटे बाहेर सोडतो, ब्लो करतो, तेव्हा समजतं की हवा आहे. ओके. ओके, ट्राय दिस. टेक अ स्टिक फ्रॉम द broom or paper on a plastic straw or a thread at its center and hang it so that is remain horizontal. इथे सांगितलं आहे की करून बघा. 2 फुगे घ्या आणि एक स्ट्रो घ्या आणि त्याला दोन्ही भागांना, दोन्ही एंडला ते फुगे बांधा आणि त्याच्यातला एक फुगा फुगवा. The one balloon is remain it and other balloon is inflated. म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये एअर भरा. सी व्हॉट हॅपन. एअर भरल्यानंतर कोणता भाग वर जातो आणि कोणता भाग खाली राहतो त्याचं निरीक्षण करा. ओके. ऑब्वियसली द एअर that is the in air or inflated balloon are going downwards. म्हणजे जो हवा भरली तो फुगा खालच्या दिशेने जातो. ओके. ओके. It means that air has weight. Air is a mixture of gases, therefore like all other matter it has mass and weight. Therefore it is a weight and mass together. The properties of air, the first property is mass and weight. Okay. Mass and weight. Mass and weight. Air is a mixture of gases, therefore like all other matter it has a mass and weight. Mass and weight. Okay, we see the mass and second is atmospheric pressure. Second is atmospheric pressure. See, atmospheric pressure, the molecule of the gases in the air are in constant motion. When these molecules strike a body, they create pressure on the body. This is the pressure of air that we call atmospheric pressure. It is nothing but to the pressure of the air we call atmospheric pressure. Okay, see in book, see on the figure number 3.2 air pressure. Okay, take a injection syringe without the needle, pull its piston and observe it as you do so. Okay, the piston can be pulled out easily. This piston then remains that position even if you let it go, but close the piston and let it go. It's so force required to pull out the piston more or less than before. Does the piston remain as it is after you let it go? No. The pressure require more to pull out. Okay, the molecule of the gases in air in constant motion. When these molecules stick a body, they create a pressure on the body. This is the pressure that is we call atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Okay, understand atmospheric pressure. In other, we can infer that atmospheric pressure in the same in all direction. Atmospheric pressure is the same in all direction. They have not need two direction. All direction the atmospheric pressure is same. Next one is the, do you know, a little fun. Okay, see the picture number 3.3 effect of air pressure. There are the water glass straw and horizontal straw and a fountain of water. Okay, observe and discuss. Take some water in a plastic cup and hold a straw upright it in, hold small pipe of another straw near the upward. Okay, blow hard strong the small piece of straw. You will see the fountain of water. Fountain of water. Why did this happen? On blowing through the straw, the air at its open end is pulled away, and hence the pressure of the air at the opening gas so goes down. As the pressure of the air near the upper end of the erect straw become less than atmospheric pressure. There are create atmospheric pressure. Okay, the more forcefully blow, the higher will be fountain. This straw fountain works on binomial principle. See the picture number 3.4, water droplets collected outside the glass. Take an ice cube in the glass up to 3/4 of its height. Now observe what happen. Okay, observe what happen. Due to the ice cube in the glass, the air surrounding the glasses cool down as the water vapor in this air cool down in condense and get transformed into water. Okay, it is this water take collected on the outer surface of the glass. The ice cube is surrounding air converted into condensed water. It is surrounded into condensed water. Next, temperature regulation. Okay, the earth receives energy from sun. This energy is reflected by the earth in the form of heat. The continuous of air surrounding the earth, sun, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, absorb a part of this heat and give to the other constituents of air. As a result, the earth's surface remain warm and thereby become suitable for the living world on the earth. If there were no air on the earth, the average temperature of the earth's surface would have been very low. Because of presence of air or mixture of air, the earth surrounding temperature remain in control. Otherwise, their temperature is very low and we are not survive on the earth. Okay. Next, transmission of sound. All the sound that we have reach us through the surrounding air. The density air also changes due to the changes in temperature. In winter, the density of the air increase. We can hear the whistle of distant train clearly early in the morning. In winter, air is surface as a medium for the transmission of sound. साऊंडच्या ट्रान्समिशनसाठी किंवा साऊंड ऐकण्यासाठी हवेच्या माध्यमाची गरज असते आणि ह्याचा परिणाम हा टेम्परेचरमुळे होत असतो. टेम्परेचर कमी असेल तर आपल्याला येणारे ऐकू येणारे आवाज हे क्लिअर ऐकायला येतात. समजा हिवाळ्याच्या वेळेला लांबून सुद्धा आपल्याला ट्रेनची शिट्टी ऐकू येते, परंतु आपल्याला ती दिवसा दुपारी एवढे क्लिअर ऐकू येत नाही. ओके, अंडरस्टँड? ओके.